At 11,000 meters, illumination does not fade, it fails. Photon propagation, expected to attenuate gradually through absorption coefficients, ceases to resolve entirely. Not darkness, but absence of render. Standard oceanographic models predict exponential decay of light intensity with depth, but the Hadal zone presents an anomaly, a photon deficit. Not explained by water density, not explained by particulate absorption. The environment does not process incoming light. At this depth, photons are not scattered, they are unregistered. A local code failure in environmental rendering. Quantum latency increases beyond measurable thresholds. Signal delay between photon emission and environmental acknowledgement exceeds system tolerance. Result: visual null space. Chemical composition remains stable. Salinity, pressure, thermal gradients within predicted variance. No physical variable accounts for total luminance collapse. Conclusion: the failure is not chemical, it is computational. Environment culling protocols appear active. Unnecessary visual data removed to conserve processing overhead. At 11,000 meters, light is categorized as non-essential. Macro observation confirms external light sources entering this zone exhibit frame loss, fragmentation, then deletion. Yet illumination exists, not external, internal. Bioluminescent organisms emit controlled photon bursts, localized, intentional. This emission is not adaptive behavior, it is a system patch, a biological workaround to bypass environmental rendering failure. Each pulse injects photons directly into local processing space, bypassing global light calculations, forcing temporary render zones. Observe, bioluminescent pulses do not diffuse naturally. They snap into visibility. Frame perfect, no gradient, no scatter. The light does not travel. It appears, instantaneously resolved within a constrained radius. Hadal rendering operates on minimal resource allocation. Global illumination disabled. Localized emission permitted. This suggests an optimization layer, a system prioritizing survival-relevant data. Light only when necessary. The organisms have adapted, not to darkness, but to absence of processing. They do not create light, they request it. Each flash, a forced render call. Failure to emit results in invisibility, not concealment, deletion. At 11,000 meters, existence requires visibility requests. Without emission, no observation. Without observation, no state. The photon deficit is not environmental, it is systemic, a boundary where reality reduces resolution. And in that boundary, life does not evolve to survive the dark. It evolves to be seen.
That wraps up this observation, but the data stream is far from over. To stay connected to these forensic reports, make sure to authenticate your access by joining the network.
We have some vital visualizations coming up next. To make sure you don't miss the update, just tap the notification bell. It helps keep our communication line open and prioritized. In these sectors, staying informed is the best strategy we have. We're moving to standby now. See you in the next log. System clear.